Hello, how are you? Well, my name is Inés and I'm from the corner. I teach there, okay? So maybe you know me or maybe not. Today I'm gonna be your teacher for this lesson, okay? And today we're going to be talking about superheroes and also about the expression be good at, which means, well, we will talk about this later, okay? So please, can you pick up your book and go to page 62? And I give you some time to do this, okay? Okay, now you've got the book in your hands. So as you can see in this lesson, we are going to talk about, well, the lesson is about superheroes, okay? I'm going to ask you a question. Well, I'm sure that you know many superheroes, okay? Because you have watched films, okay? Or you have read comics and so on. But I'm going to ask you a question. Do you know why superheroes are special? Maybe it's because they do many things, or maybe it's because they are strong, okay? Or maybe it's because they are they help people. We don't know. Okay, so but one of the things that they have in common, okay, that superheroes have in common is that they never give up. Okay, this is something that they never do. They never give up. Okay, so now I want you to do something. Okay, you're going to pick up a piece of paper. Okay. Yes, any piece of paper that you've got at home, okay, and also a pen, okay. Yes, I give you some time to do this also. When you have it, you're going to write the name of 5 superheroes, okay, 5 superheroes that come up to your mind. Yes, I give you some time to do this, okay, and they can be from any source that you want, okay, like for example from books, okay, or from films, okay, or yes, or I don't know, or a Disney film, okay, anything that you want. You can stop the video to do this, okay? Yes? Do you have it? Yes? Perfect? Okay. Now, after writing this, I want you to think about this question. Why are these superheroes special? Why are these 5 superheroes that you've got in your paper special? Why are them special? Maybe it's because they are strong, or maybe it's because they can fly, okay, or they are able to be invisible, okay. So I want you to write down the reasons, okay, so why they are special, okay. In this same paper you can write down the reasons why they are special, okay. Yes, you can stop the video to do this as well, okay, and you can ask also your father or your mother or your brother, sister, okay, if you have. You can also ask them why they think they are special, in case you don't know it, okay, but remember to write it down in English, okay. So any powers that they have, okay, like for example, he is special because he can fly, okay. Yes, I give you some time to do this, and also you can stop the video. Okay, do you have it? Yes? Okay, so maybe you have written that they are special because many reasons, okay. So one thing that is clear is that superheroes are special because they never give up, but another thing that is quite true is that superheroes have many powers, okay, so they can do like many things, okay, and so they are good at many things, okay. They are good at solving problems, they are good at helping people, okay, they are good at at many things, okay. And talking about this, I want you to explain you this expression, to be good at. Do you know what this expression means? When I say, for example, I'm good at driving, or I'm good at writing, I'm good at studying, what does this expression mean? Okay, this expression means ser bueno en alguna cosa. For example, if I say, I'm good at talking with my friends, okay? Or I'm good, no, let's do another example. I'm good at driving, this one, okay? Soy bueno conduciendo, okay? Or I'm good at writing. Soy buena o se me da bien escribir, okay? I'm good at doing my homework, okay? Se me da bien hacer mis deberes, okay? So this expression, okay, is the one that you can use to talk about the things that you are good at, okay? Now, I want you to do something now, and it is that you can pick up a piece of paper, okay? And try to think about 3 things, okay, that you are good at, okay? And just write down them on a piece of paper. If you want inspiration, you can go to page 64 in your class book, because you've got there many activities and hobbies, okay? And you can just pick up these activities and say, for example, well, pick up them as if they were an example, okay? Yes, you've got there some hobbies and things, okay, that you can